another episode of the Skyline build. Today, we got big boxes, which only means big things. So in this box, we have the Tomei Extreme TI Catback. And in this little box over here, we have the Tomei decat pipe. So let's go ahead and start this off. We'll get the car up in the air, start throwing parts on. As you can see, I'm starting with the decat pipe. But first I'm trying to, there we go, get off this old crusty gasket. Alright, we got one stud in. Two. So, now that we got both of those on, take our decat pipe. I compared it to the stock exhaust. And it should slide on just like that. Don't forget your gasket. And then we'll slide down. That's it. Alright, I'd say that's tight on there. Nice and good. Time to start the catback portion. This mid pipe right here actually goes on the first hanger of kind of the rear section. Does that make sense? I think I'm just going to throw the tip on real quick so the net's balanced. And then I know I'm kind of doing it backwards, but I think I'm going to go tip, get that all figured out, and then do the first part, which is over there. You guys can't see that right now, but I'm going to go for the tip next. Alright, so I got everything knocked up into place, and now it is time for 100% the worst part of installing a Tomei, which would be these little spring retainers that go over the slip connections. So, yeah, you guys can watch me struggle with these and curse my lungs out. Alright, so I got all the springs on there, everything's all mocked up. So basically all I have to do now is go from the front towards the back and just tighten all the connections, make sure everything's tight, and then we'll be ready for a first start. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Everything is tightened down and we're about ready, or about finished. The last thing I'm going to do is go over the exhaust and wipe it down. That way no fingerprints get burned into anything, and helps the exhaust stay looking nice and clean. So I'm going to do that real quick and then we'll give you the first start. Alright, here we go. First start with the Tomei and the Tomei decat pipe.